Hi, my name's Hamish Greensmith. I'm here as the line manager at LDH in Ipswich. I've been at Swisslog for 4 years now. When I joined up as a site engineer. From there, in 2 years, I moved up into the line manager role, where I look after a small team of engineers that run a site of 9 cranes, a monorail, infeeds, wrappers, labellers, regards to the customer as well. It's not just this equipment on this site, there's other equipment we do look after as well. As a line manager, obviously I'm responsible for the engineers, also their welfare, anything that they need to gen up on and what they need, familiarisation with equipment, and just making sure they have the right skill sets for the actual technology we've got on site. I did 5 years within the RAF, served as an airframe technician. I worked on Harrier jump jets, served as from an AC, as an aircraftman, all the way up to an SAC technician. From there, I was an actual airframe technician based at RAF Wittering and RAF Cottesmore. Anyone that's come from the military, you're very disciplined, and obviously having the right people dealing with that level of pressure, it's exactly the same. You know, if the customer may be facing some problems with some shortages, or it may be a piece of equipment, it's key. So obviously the pressure's focused on the team to get that piece of equipment up and running very quickly. I did an apprenticeship before I joined the RAF, but when I left the RAF, I did a small resettlement package to get myself up to speed with certain things within the industry. The actual skill set from the RAF with your electrical or mechanical will suit the Swisslog side of things, but it's good to have both skills if you can have them. But having said that, you know, depending on whoever comes to, you know, whatever job you go into, Swisslog will always provide that training anyway. It's all about the mindset of the person, making sure you turn up on time, they're here to do what you're supposed to be doing, all your roles, and you're keen to do this stuff, and making sure you've got the right attitude, because you've got the foundation, the framework from your military career, everything else to put into place. The old style of warehousing is very labour intensive. Now, obviously, we're moving forward where, you know, it's a highly automated piece of equipment where we don't have to rely on manual skills. You know, the people that actually run the site are technicians or engineers. Swisslog are very good with the technology. It's always progressing. It's a good place to be. You know, you've got every aspects of the industry and levels of technology, and it's always moving forward. For me, I've got a great team on site. It's about obviously having the right people in place. It's always good to go and compare yourself to other sites and see how you compare and what they actually do. Not only that, if there's any improvements, you know, just because this equipment's built from a particular tech center doesn't mean to say it can't be improved. It's great to do like the day-to-day stuff about servicing or repairs, but it's always good to fall back on continuous improvement and making our lives easier. Latest technology, I should imagine it's pretty much there where you're connecting to the actual piece of equipment via PC and obviously monitoring what the system's doing. Joining Swisslog would be a great opportunity for anyone leaving the military background. It's just moving from a military background into a civilization. It's exactly the same thing. Procedures, formalities, you'll fit in no problem. Great career with a progression, and also the actual benefits that Swisslog provide.